How to change notification sound in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change notification sound in your Windows. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your control panel. Simply search for your control panel and open it up. Now on your control panel, you'll find an option called sound. Tap on sound and open it up. Now under sound, there you'll find 4 different sections. Head over to the one called sounds. Now right here, after you're there, you will see program events. Now, whichever you want, you will see different sounds right here. You can tap on test to play. As you can listen there. So if you want to select a certain sound, what you can do is simply choose that very sound, and here you will see the sound section. Simply choose that and then simply change it. After you change it, it's basically good to go. Now you can also tap on the browse button to change a different sound. You can now select whichever ringtone that you want. You can just download a different ringtone from the web and then simply head it, just put it in this link right here. Now as you can see, it's under Windows and Media. After you place it here, you can just change it from here as well. After doing that, tap on apply and then tap on OK and you're good to go. And that's basically how you change notification sound on Windows. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.